Welcome back to Hairstyles. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a stunning Bantu Knots hairstyle. Bantu knots are not only trendy, but also a great protective style for your natural hair. So if you're ready, let's jump right into it. Materials needed. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Wide tooth comb hair clips or elastics, a good moisturizing product or leave-in conditioner, styling gel or cream, bobby pins, a silk or satin scarf. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Prep your hair. Start with clean, detangled hair. Use your wide tooth comb to remove any knots or tangles, ensuring your hair is smooth and ready for styling. Step 2. Moisturize and protect. Next, apply a moisturizing product or leave-in conditioner to your hair. This step is crucial for maintaining the health of your hair and preventing breakage. Make sure to distribute the product evenly. Step 3. Part and section your hair. Now it's time to part and section your hair. Use your comb to create clean, even parts. The size of the sections will determine the size of your Bantu knots, so adjust accordingly based on your desired look. Step 4. Twist and knot. Here comes the fun part. Take one of the sections and apply a bit of styling gel or cream for added hold and definition. Then, twist the section tightly from the roots to the ends. Once you've twisted it, start wrapping the twisted section around itself to form a knot. Make sure it's secure but not too tight to avoid discomfort. Step 5. Secure with bobby pins. If you find that your knots are slipping or not staying in place, you can use bobby pins to secure them. Just slide a bobby pin through the base of the knot to hold it in position. Step 6. Repeat the process. Continue twisting and knotting each section until your entire head is covered with Bantu knots. You can make them as large or as small as you like, depending on your style preference. Step 7. Optional. Silk or satin scarf. For extra protection and a smooth finish, you can tie a silk or satin scarf around your head. This will help your Bantu knots set and maintain their shape. Step 8. Let your Bantu knots set. Now, it's time to let your Bantu knots set. You can leave them in for a few hours or overnight for a more defined look. Just make sure they are completely dry before taking them down. Step 9. Take down the knots. Once your knots are fully set, carefully unravel each one. Be gentle to avoid frizz, and use a bit of oil on your fingertips to prevent any unwanted breakage. Step 10. Style and fluff. Now that your knots are out, it's time to style and fluff your hair to your liking. You can use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to separate and shape your curls. Final look. And there you have it. Beautiful Bantu knots that are not only stylish, but also a great way to protect your natural hair. This versatile look can be worn for any occasion, from casual to formal. Closing. Thank you so much for joining me today on your channel name. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair care and styling tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, stay fabulous.